Flies made for the streams and rivers in Wyoming. These are what I use in the Bighorns, a collection of flies that produce. I have personally used all of these and consistently catch. The Wyoming collection, made for Wyoming. Pre-sale is live on whisperflight.com. Seeing elk, especially in their natural behavior, gives one a sense of the wild, raw nature of these animals, bringing a connection to the vast, untamed landscapes they inhabit. It's a reminder of the natural world's beauty and the importance of conservation efforts to ensure such sites remain for future generations.
Straight out of my head, guess we are living proof of love at first sight. But now we both see love in a different light. Keeping love alive is a tricky thing. You gotta let it fly.
The summer was here, and then it wasn't. I counted over 3,000 head of elk, about 250 moose. Got video of a hawk and a coronament. Caught about 100 trout, about 30 or so, and weathered 2 fires that consumed a total of 200,000 acres in northeastern Wyoming. We got a fly sponsor. Yes, sir, it's been a busy summer. Fly fishing in the Bighorn Mountains of Wyoming presents an array of opportunities for anglers to engage in what could be metaphorically called a dance with the trout, where the finesse of casting, the choice of fly, and the reading of water currents are all part of the intricate ballet. The Bighorn Mountains in north central Wyoming are part of the Bighorn National Forest, offering numerous accessible spots for fly fishing. The area is crisscrossed with streams and dotted with alpine lakes, making it a haven for trout fishing. The waters in the Bighorn Mountains are home to various trout species, including rainbow, brown, cutthroat, and brook. Notably, there are efforts to conserve native cutthroat trout population, which adds a unique challenge for anglers looking to catch these relic species.
In a little village just south of the border, there lived a peasant family of 4. But troubled winds started blowing up dust. Soon the man was called into duty, and go he must. But he said, love conquers all. It takes your biggest worries and make them small. Yes, love about their father. Then one day out of the blue there was a letter. In it the dearest words of love for one another.
My summer came to an abrupt end because of the elk fire. The fire significantly impacted the region, burning over 100,000 acres. This fire was notable for its size and the rapid spread leading to widespread evacuations and visible damage across the face of the Bighorns. The fire forced residents along the mountain to prepare for evacuation and disrupted the usual activities and plans for the end of summer. The community's attention shifted towards safety measures, firefighting efforts, and recovery, marking an abrupt end to the summer season for many in the affected area. Thank you for all the personnel that helped fight this fire. The mountain will come back. Stay tuned to this channel for the annual Christmas drone flight in downtown Sheridan and the surrounding area. And I can't wait for spring-summer of 2025.
I'll be home
within my mind. All the crazy circumstances we just leave behind. Ooh, we're leaving early, following the sun. You keep saying life begins here, down the 101. It's like we were made for all the perfect moments like these. I just want us to get more and forever, all of the time. You'll be mine. Come follow, I know how the story goes. 'Cause we have been through the highs, yeah, we've been through the lows. Ooh, I just wanna breathe that fire again. So release my burden, let my every dream unchain.